Financial freedom is a goal many aspire to achieve, representing the ability to live life on one's own terms without financial constraints. Here, we'll explore a comprehensive guide to attaining financial freedom. Step 1. Define your financial goals. The first step on your journey to financial freedom is defining your financial goals. What does financial freedom mean to you? Is it retiring early, traveling the world, or simply living without debt? Write down your goals and make them as specific as possible. Clear goals will provide direction and motivation. Remember, your goals should be SMART, specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Step 2. Create a budget. Creating a budget is crucial. A budget serves as your financial roadmap. Track your income and expenses to understand your financial habits. This will help you identify areas where you can cut back and save more. Numerous budgeting tools and apps are available to simplify this process. Find one that suits you and adhere to it. Step 3. Pay off debt. Debt can be a major obstacle to financial freedom. Develop a plan to pay off your debts as quickly as possible. Concentrate on high-interest debt first, such as credit card debt, using strategies like the debt snowball or avalanche method. Every extra dollar directed towards debt repayment brings you closer to financial liberation. Step 4. Invest for the future. Investing is vital for building wealth. Begin by contributing to your retirement accounts, such as a 401k or IRA. Diversify your investments with stocks, bonds, real estate, and other assets. If you're new to investing, seek advice from a financial advisor or use online resources for self-education. The earlier you start, the more time your money has to grow. Step 5. Increase your income. Accelerate your path to financial freedom by increasing your income. This could involve asking for a raise, starting a side hustle, or investing in further education to advance your career.